马儿要吃草。如果喜欢我的影片，按赞、订阅、加分享。
The CX-50, it also announced a few days ago that a production line in Alabama, USA has been officially put into production. Interestingly, in the future, this production line will also serve as an important base for Toyota to produce Corolla Cross. Mazda's new CX-50 is a new SUV product targeting the North American market. Positioned more than the current CX-50, the brand hopes that through the more distinctive product style of CX-50, and then expand the family product category. Mazda Toyota Manufacturing USA Inc. Mazda Motor Corporation Mazda US and Toyota Motor Corporation Toyota new factory built together. Supermarket SUV Mazda CX-50. It goes on sale on January 5, US time. With the sales reform in North America, products for local demand and the start of this mass production, the goal is to be the company trusted and chosen by North American customers. Mazda CX-50 incorporates the lifestyle and needs of North American customers, such as designs that stand out in nature, powerful and efficient powertrain with AWD for all cars, and high driving stability. Off-road performance. Mass production starts at a new factory equipped with the latest technology. A production supply system for timely delivery of high-quality products has been established. When the CX-50 started mass production, Senior Managing Executive Officer Takeshi Mukai said, "The